Let's start the program. Japanese Trader Radio Part.034. Today is November 9th, 2025, Sunday, by Gift and Craft. 1 FX, 1 surveillance, 1 market movement, 1 this week's mid price, Euro dollar, Monday, 1.154, 1.154, Tuesday, 1.152, 1.151, Wednesday, 1.148, 1.149, Thursday, 1.149, 1.151, Friday, 1.155, 1.153, and now 1.157. Pound dollar, Monday, 1.315, 1.314, Tuesday, 1.314, 1.307, Wednesday, 1.302, 1.304, Thursday, 1.305, 1.306, Friday, 1.313, 1.310, and now 1.316. Dollar yen, Monday, 154.0, 54.2, Tuesday, 54.2, 53.4, Wednesday, 53.7, 53.6, Thursday, 54.1, 53.7, Friday, 53.1, 53.5, and now 53.4. 112 next week's market outlook on this week's chart. Euro dollar and pound dollar. Reversal from -2 sigma on one-day chart. Dollar yen, it might be considered the shop of a flag. 112 economic indicators. 1121 this week's economic indicators. 4th Tuesday 0, the US ISM manufacturing PMI, the actual is 48.7. The US dollar fell back following unexpectedly bad developments. 6th Thursday 0, the US ISM services PMI, the actual is 52.4. 7th Friday 22:30, the US non-farm payrolls, the actual is unpublished. 1122 next week's economic indicators. 13th Thursday 16, the UK GDP growth rate YOY, PREL, previous 1.4%. 14th Friday 22:30, the US retail sales MOM, previous 0.6%, forecast 0.4%. 113 this week's news and events that seem to be factored in. There is a view that Japanese stocks are linked to the dollar-yen exchange rate that don't seem to factor in. The extent of the AI market's adjustment is unclear. 114 next week's FX trading strategy and tactics. Regarding the euro dollar and pound dollar, a rebound is observed after a sharp drop, but considering the poor fundamentals in Europe, it is unclear whether they have hit the bottom. It is difficult to grasp a clear direction for either a buying or selling stance. I think that next week, the dollar-yen pair will likely be easier to keep up with in terms of price movements. The dollar-yen is linked to Japanese stocks. Despite the collective decline in Japanese stocks this week, the dollar-yen remained firm. I want to be mindful of the risk of a sudden and drastic collapse. 2 stock, 21 surveillance, 21会社式法 surveillance, 2872 Seisho. The business and products based on strange operations in a cold storage warehouse. Its main business includes the manufacturing, pronouncement, and sales of ice-making products and frozen desserts such as ice cream. This company manufactures OEM products for Moridanga milk industry, so I think kata is value. Market capitalization 37 billion yen, sales 4 billion yen, cash equivalent is 329 billion yen. Achievement PER, high price 150.3, low price 44.6, full-year sales growth rate plus 14.5%, operating profit margin 2.1%, ROE 8.9%, ROA 3.6%, equity ratio 37.5%, debt with interest 1 billion yen. Stock chart shows after a sharp drop in the fall of 2023, it made a slight recovery. In conclusion, after the sharp drop, price movements are small and there are liquidity issues. 212 Holding Brand Surveillance 9984 SoftBank Group. Tuesday, 25,160. Wednesday, 22,640. Thursday, 23,300. Friday, 21,700. The earnings announcement is scheduled for the 11th. The market's reaction to this result will be dividing line between the continuation or end of the AI boom. 6762 TDK, Wednesday 2513, Thursday 2556, Friday 2493. 22. Inspection, Holding 9984 SoftBank Group. Concerns about excessive investment in AI have emerged, and the market is entering a correction phase. This price movement is similar to the DeepSeek shock. The reason I bought into SoftBank Group is because I decided to hold it for the long term based on the same perspective as Masayoshi Son, and as long as that rationale remains intact, I will hold on to it. 2-3 order buying 6762 TDK. I bought it again as a Takaichi stock. 3 others 3-1 rereading Zen books. I reread 2 books on Zen written by Zen monk Toshiaki Masuno. I'm trying to overcome the mental uncertainty I've been experiencing recently. I am lacking in concentration at work and my mind is out of balance. Although I am steadily making progress in keeping my household chores in order, I want to improve this by adopting the Zen spirit. 3-2 The recent market crash. AI and semiconductor stocks, which have led the Nikkei 225 rapid rise, have plummeted sharply this week. However, I have taken a Masayoshi Son-like approach and purchased SoftBank Group shares with a long-term perspective. There may be a correction in the future that wipes out the gains made so far, but I intended to hold on to them for the long term without wavering. I would like to use this trial to master the unwavering Zen spirit. Thank you for listening. Bye.